Let's pop this bad boy open. This is an Elevon. It's got a nice antique colored dial and the Arabics are in a unique arrangement.
It is a Rita. This is actually a cool classic look.
Elevon. It's got the seconds and everything there. You have the black face with the black watch. This is a nice watch.
And there we go, the Chronologia. It does have a unidirectional bezel.
Let's see what's in here. Support it. It looks good. It fits well. It's got a great weight to it. Nice box. And Jerome Lamars.
There you go.
Nice watch, white dial, glass window on the back case.
Jerome Lamar. Wow, that is really awesome. Now this is exactly my style.